Hello, and thank you for watching day 2 of the 30 Virtual Agents in 30 Days Challenge. My name is Tommy Hart, and today we're going to be creating a recipe bot for a fictitious healthy company called Omzo Healthy Living. The purpose of this bot is going to be able to kind of engage customers after hours, giving them healthy recipe options. So let's go ahead and get started. Now you'll see I'm in the same Zoom platform that I am before. You know that handsome fellow right there. We're going to scroll on down and go to under admin and to AI Studio. And in the AI Studio, we're going to, like we did with the first bot, give our bot a brain. So under knowledge, we're going to be able to add a knowledge base right here. And under knowledge base this time, instead of using the integrations with Zoom Docs, I'm actually going to upload about 20 PDF files. We're going to call this Healthy Living. And so instead of just choosing the files, I do have them handy here off screen, and I'm going to go ahead and just drag these recipes over into this area. And what you'll see happening is the upload status of all of these. Again, they're just standard PDFs of standard recipes. I may or may not have borrowed some of them from my wife. So we do have some great options in here. And that turkey burgers with zucchini, that's the big winner right there. We're going to look at that guy later. But these are going to be finished uploading. As you saw, 20 PDFs uploading in about 30 seconds to a minute is pretty darn quick. So once we have these loaded, you're going to see at the bottom that we're going to use a file name as the article title, and then we're going to go ahead and create. Now we're creating, and you'll see that this is syncing. It's actually going to be indexing these articles. It's pending, and it's not going to take a whole ton of time, but you can see all of these different articles and exactly when they're uploaded. And a little cheater for today, you can see that I'm loading that for tomorrow. Using third-party generative AI, just like we did yesterday, I'm going to go ahead and view that knowledge base. And again, we called it Healthy Living. So let's go ahead and do Rita Recipe. So under virtual agents, we're going to go to a voice agent. That voice agent is going to be Rita Recipe. And just like yesterday, I have my agent guidance off the screen. I am going to copy and paste and put those into the comments for you guys to use and to capture on your own. Let's go ahead and stretch this out and take a quick look. As Rita Recipe, a professional in health coaching and cooking industry. So we gave her a job. We're going to have her greet people warmly. Main goal is provide recipe information to the caller, and we're going to go ahead and scroll down and change her greeting. Now, one thing I want to note during this in day 2 is how quickly I'm able to actually cut her off and switch gears. Now, the switching gears makes it really easy because now you don't have customers who are frustrated having to wait for the bot to continue its speech. For today, we're going to leverage Ivy as our voice and going to next. Using that existing source, we're going to go ahead and select Healthy Living, and then we can go ahead and click on Next. Like I said, we'll be leveraging these skills and tools later on in the challenge, but for right now, it's just creating something simple for an after-hours greeting. So we're creating that right now. And so one of the things we're going to do is we're going to ask Rita for a quick recipe about a veggie frittata. And then we're going to pivot very quickly and go to those turkey burgers. So bear with me here. Let's go ahead and talk to Rita.
Hello, and thanks for calling Rita Recipe, the after-hours assistant for Omzo Healthy Living. While we don't have any humans available to work with you, I would love to provide you with a recipe for a healthy meal until they return tomorrow. So, what are you in the mood for today?
I would love a veggie frittata recipe, please.
Certainly, a veggie frittata sounds delicious and nutritious. Let me find a great recipe for you. Just give me a moment to search our database. Great, I found a delicious recipe for veggie frittata bites. These are perfect for a healthy meal.
About how long
Would
is
you?
this going to take to make? I'm short on time.
This recipe is pretty quick. The total time is about 30 minutes, 25 minutes for baking, and 5 minutes for prep.
You know, I'm
Perfect.
actually really interested in turkey burgers instead. Do you mind switching gears?
Absolutely. Let's switch gears to turkey burgers. They're a great lean protein option. I'll find a tasty recipe for you right away. Great choice. I found a quick and healthy turkey burger recipe for you. It takes about 10 to 12 minutes to cook. Shall I share the ingredients and instructions?
Absolutely. Let's start with the instructions first. I kind of want to know what I'm getting myself into.
Certainly. The instructions are simple. Mix all ingredients in a bowl, form into patties, then cook in a skillet
Sounds
over
pretty
medium.
easy and straightforward. Thanks for the help, Rita. Have a fantastic day. So, as you saw, we were able to create using just PDFs. You saw how quickly it was able to upload, how quickly it was able to index, and how quickly we were able to create a virtual agent that provided a concierge experience for those customers of Omzo Healthy Living. If you have any other questions or something that maybe you think I missed, make sure you put them down in the comments. And as always, thank you for checking out the challenge and tune in for tomorrow. Thank you.